Hey, let's talk a little bit about fishing right below Beaver Dam today. The red dots indicate the channel as it flows from the dam in front of the access. Notice it goes down the right-hand side and the fish cruise the channel, and that's where I typically tend to fish. And in this case today, it's about 12 feet deep, which is unusual, but it's because Table Rock is so high. I'm fishing a 12-foot leader that's 5X fluorocarbon and fishing a black midge perdigon that can go down deep and stay near the bottom. I use a roll cast to cast out from the side of the boat at least 20 feet. And as we're drifting, I'll twitch, give a brief twitch to the strike indicator every now and then. And generally speaking, when it twitches or if I lift up on the strike indicator a little bit, that's when the fish will strike. While I'm drifting downstream, I'll keep my line mended above my strike indicator and I'll keep my rod tip down. As soon as there's movement, I'll lift my tip up fast to get the slack out of the line and to set the hook. I'll lift it fast, I won't yank it. And then what I'll do is I'll keep my rod tip up and slack out of the line while I'm reeling my fish in. And if it's a big fish, you'll definitely want to have your drag set right and use your reel to work the fish. And as I get it into the boat, sometimes what I'll do with the fish, I'll swing it back and forth a little bit to disorient it. Then I'll swing it into my net. So there you go. That's how I catch fish while I'm drifting when the water is high and not generating there below the dam. And I'd like to encourage you to visit my YouTube channel, and I have other videos related to this one. Thank you for your time, and be careful out there.